What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week's going to be another one of those weeks where we are kind of all over the place, but the priority for this week, amongst other priorities, is to get this Audi BAM 1.8 turbo S3 engine assembled. The body is that Golf body we're busy with. We're doing a lot of fab work on that thing to reinforce it because of just metal fatigue over the years. So the big thing now is we're going to start assembling this. We're going to get the crank and the crank in. We probably get the pistons assembled. I'm waiting on ARP conrod bolts. We have forged pistons, but we're going to stay with the stock conrods because we're not really pushing this thing too hard. Reason being is the car is more grip limited than it is power limited. So we're going to focus on just getting this thing together. So what I've done so far is we've got the big ends in and the oil squirters down there. Now we were lucky we were able to save this block because this block had a massive gorge in the side from one of the gudgeon pins coming out, the stock gudgeon pins. So managed to get forged pistons, I think in a 1mm oversize or a 0.5. And yeah, we managed to save the block without re-sleeving, so that's fantastic. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to lube it up and get the crank in. So we'll use our assembly lube, be rather generous. Try not to get it into the bolt holes because that can cause a hydraulic lock and you won't get the correct main bearing torque reading, and it could also bottom the bolt out before it's actually at the bottom. If you want to see some more of this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you're good to go. Alright, so now we are going to be stripping these original pistons and connecting rods because we have to clean them. And we're not going to be using these pistons anymore. We had ACL bearings in here which have held up really nicely. Let's just put it on a rag. Alright, so we're just going to get out these old conrod bolts. These are original conrod bolts, so we're replacing these with ARP conrod bolts. So clamp it in the vise nice and tight with soft jaws on, and just give it a couple of good smacks. Don't clamp it like that and then smack it over there, because then you're going to make the conrod out of round. So you want to clamp it as nicely as possible. You can also try and press it out, but there isn't really a place that you can press on nicely here. So that's one done. So it's clamped. Make sure it doesn't move. And avoid damaging the face with the hammer. Make sure you throw all of these bolts away. You don't want to get these mixed up. Alright, so I am at one of my fabricator buddies' shops, and we are here to get a look at the chassis on the Golf, because we've had to do quite a lot of repairs on the actual chassis, and I'm going to take you through what we're doing there. The donor car. So this is one of the pieces we're replacing.
Yes. This whole piece I'm replacing. That whole piece I'm replacing. There I'm gonna fix, because I don't really want to take everything out. It's bothering me a little bit. It's gonna rebuild this whole garden.
Yeah, that's the problem. It's like you go too far, it becomes Pandora's box. Next thing, it's a tubular chassis. You know.
We're already halfway there.
Yeah, it's just years and years of hard racing.
Everywhere on the inside here where it's joined, I'm going to clean up, cut off wherever I can cut out, replace some material, put maybe like an angle iron in there.
Okay.
That we can weld on this side and weld on this side, right from the bottom to the top. Same with that side.
Also replacing the chassis legs. So can't really go much further today because I need the conrod bolts to carry on. So those are those ARP conrod bolts. I'm waiting for those. So then in the next episode we will put these beautiful forged pistons on the conrods with the connecting rod bolts. We already have these ACL bearings which we run previously. They're perfect. And the block is all cleaned up, just waiting for all that stuff. So not much we can do at the moment. The car, as you saw earlier, the chassis is at the fabricators, and they're stripping everything and getting it ready to weld on those new chassis legs and then start a lot of tubular reinforcement. So that's going to be it for this episode. We've got the valve cover there, had all that stuff Cerakoted. Once we get it all back, get the conrod bolts, get it together, we can start putting the head on, putting it together. So that'll be in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Ciao.